When winter arrives, your HVAC system becomes the heart of your property. It's what keeps tenants warm, safe, and comfortable. But without regular maintenance, your HVAC system could fail when it's needed most, leaving you with costly repairs and unhappy tenants. Today we're going to talk about why regular HVAC maintenance is essential for a safe, cozy winter, and how it protects your property, saves money, and ensures everyone stays comfortable. The first reason regular HVAC maintenance is so important is reliability. During winter, heating systems work harder than at any other time of the year. Without routine maintenance, small issues can build up and cause the system to break down when it's under the most stress. A broken furnace or heating system isn't just inconvenient, it's also a major safety risk during freezing temperatures. Scheduling a professional inspection before winter hits helps identify and fix potential problems before they turn into emergencies. A well-maintained HVAC system is far less likely to fail, keeping your tenants warm and your property protected. Efficiency is another big factor. A poorly maintained HVAC system has to work harder to heat your property, which drives up energy costs. Dirty filters, clogged ducts, and worn-out components reduce efficiency and increase utility bills for you or your tenants. During a maintenance visit, technicians clean and inspect the system, replacing parts and optimizing performance. This not only keeps energy bills manageable, but also extends the life of the equipment. An efficient system costs less to run and ensures consistent, comfortable heating throughout the property. Safety is one of the most critical reasons for regular HVAC maintenance. Heating systems, especially those powered by gas, can pose serious risks if not properly maintained. Issues like carbon monoxide leaks or faulty wiring can lead to dangerous situations. During a maintenance check, professionals test for carbon monoxide, inspect electrical connections, and ensure that all safety mechanisms are functioning correctly. These steps protect tenants and reduce liability risks for property owners. A safe heating system gives everyone peace of mind, especially during the coldest months of the year. Another benefit of regular HVAC maintenance is improved air quality. During winter, windows stay closed, and indoor air quality becomes more important than ever. A neglected HVAC system can circulate dust, allergens, and other pollutants, which can impact tenant health and comfort. Cleaning or replacing filters and ensuring proper ventilation keeps the air clean and fresh, creating a healthier living environment. Tenants notice the difference when the air quality is good, and it's one more way to enhance their satisfaction and loyalty. Regular maintenance also helps landlords avoid unexpected expenses. Emergency repairs during a winter storm can be expensive and stressful. By investing in preventive maintenance, you reduce the risk of costly surprises. A well-maintained system is less likely to need emergency repairs, and when issues do arise, they're often smaller and more manageable. This proactive approach saves you money in the long run and keeps the property running smoothly. Communication with tenants is another key aspect of HVAC maintenance. Letting tenants know when maintenance will happen and why it's important builds trust and shows that you care about their comfort. Encourage tenants to report any issues with the heating system, like unusual noises or uneven heating, so they can be addressed early. Good communication ensures that problems are caught before they escalate, and tenants feel valued when they see their concerns are taken seriously. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we handle all aspects of HVAC maintenance for landlords. From scheduling regular inspections to managing repairs and replacements, we ensure your property's heating system is always in top condition. This keeps your tenants safe and comfortable while protecting your investment and reducing maintenance costs. Now, switching gears for a moment. If you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. To wrap up, regular HVAC maintenance is a must for a safe, cozy winter. It ensures reliability, improves efficiency, enhances safety, boosts air quality, and prevents costly emergencies. By staying proactive, you protect your property, keep tenants happy, and save money in the long run. If you'd like professional support managing HVAC maintenance and other property needs, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.